new upgrades today, right from the Honda place. Here is the splash guard kit directly from the Honda dealership. It comes with two rears. They each have a couple of clips and a couple of screws. Everything else gets reused. And it comes with a couple of special screws for the fronts. Everything else gets reused. Let's get working. All right, here we go. We're going to try to do one of the rear mud flaps for splash guards. Just pull the top screw. And the bottom screw. If you put them up together, you'll notice the top screw is a little bit skinnier. The bottom screw is a little bit fatter. And they come out pretty easy. All you have to do is just place it on. Here's your rear screw. And you do have to line it up. There's a small clip underneath. We're going to get it. Let's get that in partially. And now we'll just screw this one in. And there it is. I've already taken and turned the steering wheel, and I'm going to try to show different angles so you can show how I just pop it through the clip that's already on there. You take the bottom two screws out. And where's you? Here. And right here. Here's the provided screw. Line up your new splash guard. It should be right on there. Little punch it right. I don't have the best angle to watch myself, but you punch it right in. And screw it right through. And the old plastic pop ring actually helps hold it in tighter. So this ain't going anywhere, as they like to say. And these two just screw in like anything you've ever tightened in with a screw. And there she is, done. Give it a slap to show you how tight it is. It ain't going anywhere. And here's what the splash guards look like on a Boost Blue 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback. Now that we've finished the splash guards, we can look at some of the other simple mods we've done. Here's the door handles. The new door handles, if you want to make them black, they're like plastic caps and they literally just clip on. No tape or anything like that. So if you want to pull them off to clean it later, no problem. Just pop them off, snap them back in place. Another little creature comfort mod I did was a dash pad. Just a simple eBay dash pad. It was made for the particular car, so everything fits right. And then you could stick it to the car, but I didn't want to put anything or stick anything that might end up being permanent. And because of the way the radio is set up, it holds it in place. It hasn't moved yet. I initially just threw it on there to let some of the wrinkles come out, and it's just hasn't moved a bit. So I'm not going to put any of those little Velcro sticker things on. And if I ever want, I can just yank it out and put a different one in. And we've received the screen protector to the infotainment center. Here it is. The patch installation cleaning kit. And here's the screen protector itself. Let's see if we can't get this installed. I'm going to start by opening up the alcohol wipe. Probably wash your hands before you do this too. I think we're looking for debris and any hand oils or anything that would interfere with this thing sticking as best as it possibly can. And we'll use this little tiny microfiber to wipe it down and make sure everything is dry after all the alcohol's been used to clean everything. Man, we could just leave it like that. Yes, the back of the box has some decent instructions on it. We've checked to make sure it'll fit. We've cleaned the screen with an alcohol wipe. Now we're just ready to put this guy on. I hope I'm doing this right, but we peel this guy back. We're just going to try to line this guy up. And center it. And where's my little wipe? You know, all the little air pockets are coming out of this pretty easily. Here we go. I think that's good. See what it looks like. And it's working. Another mod here is the silicone guard for the license plate. If your plate moves around, bounces around, if you're on any rough drives or anything, it keeps it right in place. It doesn't cover anything up, so I'm not going to have problems with the cops. And it prevents any potential scratching